Good morning friends. Last lecture we have to discuss the actual steps it is involving the conversion of the molasses into the alcohol. We have to discuss the three steps. First is a dilution, second is addition of the sulfuric acid and the ammonium phosphate, and then third we have to discuss about the fermentation. Okay, and then we have to discuss the last step, that is about the distillation step. Okay, that distillation step means what? In this distillation you have to purify them, you have to purify the alcohol. Okay, the first point, what is the definition of the coffee still? That the coffee still definition is about the wash obtained by the fermentation process is then distilled in design containing still column known as the coffee still. Okay, means the wash obtained by the fermentation process means after the fermentation process, therefore you have to obtain the wash, and that wash you have to then it is a distill in design containing still column. Okay, this is the design containing the still column. You have to distill the wash. Okay, you have to distill the wash and it is called as coffee still. Okay, it is called as coffee still. Means that coffee still definition, it is a simple definition. It is the wash is obtained by a fermentation process. Okay, after the fermentation process you have to obtain the wash, and that wash is a distill in design continuous still column. Okay, means that wash you have to distill in this design containing still column. Design containing still column, it is known as coffee still. It is known as coffee still. Okay, so this is the introduction part of the distillation, and that distillation you have to perform by the coffee still. Okay, that the coffee still, it is an instrument, and that instrument you have to purify the alcohol from the wash, and that wash you have to obtain by the fermentation process. Okay, then firstly that is a coffee still. Okay, it consists of two tall fractionating column. It is called as analyzer and the rectifier. Okay, means that the coffee still, it is containing the two fractionating column. Okay, that coffee still, it containing the two tall fractionating column. One column is an analyzer and one column is a rectifier. This is the two column, one is an analyzer and one is a rectifier. Okay, then second point, then you have to discuss about the procedure. Okay, how to perform this experiment by the procedure. Okay, first we have to take the wash the contain the 6 to 10% alcohol pump from bottom part of the rectifier to upper section of the analyzer and passes through the heat exchange in rectifier. Okay, then you have to firstly take the wash containing the 6 to 10% alcohol, and it is a pump from bottom part of the rectifier. Okay, means therefore it is a you have to pump from bottom part of the rectifier. Okay, या rectifierच्या bottom part वरून आपण काय करतो, you have to pump out into the rectifier, bottom part of the rectifier you have to pump out them, and then to the upper section of the analyzer. Okay, this is the upper section of the analyzer. It is passes through the heat exchange in rectifier. Okay, that upper section of the analyzer, it is a pass into the exchange in rectifier. कशामध्ये पास होतो? rectifier मध्ये. Okay, then the current and the current steam. Okay, then the current steam is passes from bottom and bottom analyzer. Okay, your current steam, it is a passes from the bottom analyzer. Look at this, your current steam, it is a passes from the bottom analyzer, and then the steam passes up the analyzer with the vapor of the alcohol from down coming the wash. Okay, you have to pass the steam, and therefore your alcohol formation into vapor, and that vapor of the alcohol from down coming of the wash. Okay, in this pipe, therefore the hot washing them. Okay, down coming from this wash. Okay, then mixture of the alcohol and the steam. Okay, then mixture of the alcohol and the steam vapor leave the analyzer. Okay, mixture of the alcohol and the steam vapor. Okay, this is the steam vapor and the alcohol, and that the mixture of the steam vapor and the alcohol, it is leave the analyzer. ओके, इट इज लिव्ह द ॲनालायझर. ॲनालायझरमधून काय होतं, लिव्ह होतं. ओके, इट इज लिव्ह द ॲनालायझर, then it is a near the base. Okay, leave the analyzer at the top end. Okay, look at this, leave the analyzer at the top end, and then it is a near the base. Okay, it is near the base. Near the base, near the base your steam and vapor base are live. That analyzer are live near the base. Okay, then in the rectifier the condensation takes place, the steam condensed because the steam 100 degrees Celsius, that of the boiling point of the ethyl alcohol is 78 degrees Celsius. Okay, means this is point, it is says that in the rectifier condensation, okay, this is the rectifier condensation. In rectifier condensation, therefore it takes place the steam. Okay, that rectifier condensation, it takes place the steam, and that steam, why you have to take the steam into the rectifier, because the boiling point of the steam, okay, that the boiling point of the steam, it is about 100 degrees Celsius. Boiling point of the steam is about the 100 degrees Celsius, but your ethyl alcohol boiling point is 78 degrees Celsius. But your ethyl alcohol boiling point is 78 degrees Celsius. Therefore, in the rectifier you have to condensation. Then you have to condensation. Okay, secondly, the alcohol is obtained about the 90% pure. Okay, that the alcohol is obtained the 90% of the pure alcohol. Alcohol is obtained 90% of the pure, and this residue is left used for the cattle feed. Okay, this is the residue. That residue, it is formed by this rectifier, and that residue you are to useful for the cattle feed. Okay, and therefore the alcohol subfractional distillation, therefore you are to alcohol subfractional distillation. Okay, therefore you are to formation of the 90% of the alcohol, then you are to fractional distillation of the alcohol, and that fractional distillation of the alcohol, it is divided in 3 types. Okay, it is divided in 3 types. For a first fractionating column, okay, first fraction distillation, it gives low boiling liquid such as the acetaldehyde. Okay, means that the low boiling liquid such as the acetaldehyde, that acetaldehyde you are to formation of first fractional distillation of the alcohol. Okay, first fractional distillation of the ethyl alcohol, you are to formation of the acetaldehyde, and its boiling point is low. Okay, second fractional distillation, that second fractional distillation contain 95% of the ethyl alcohol is formed. Okay, after the first fractional distillation, therefore you have to formation of the acetaldehyde, that acetaldehyde, it containing the low boiling point. Then you have to second fractional distillation of the alcohol, you have to formation of 95% of the ethyl alcohol. 95% of the ethyl alcohol you have to form in the second fractional distillation of the alcohol. Then third fractional distillation containing the fuel oil. Okay, the third fractional distillation of the alcohol, you have to form the fuel oil. Okay, so this is the Coppe Still diagram, and that diagram it about the distillation of the wash by the Coppe Still. Okay, therefore this is all about the Coppe Still, and this is the last step of the steps involved in the manufacture of conversion of molasses into alcohol is about the distillation. Okay, therefore your first point is over, that is the manufacture of the ethyl alcohol from the molasses. Next time we have to discuss the manufacture of the ethyl alcohol from food grades. Okay, thank you.